Hi, my name is Cliff Langston, and today we're going to talk about refrigeration. Refrigeration is vital to protect the food you are cooking and serving. Some type of refrigeration system will be needed in your food truck, one that is of commercial quality and that fits in your food truck. Undercounter fridges, fitted under most standard size countertops, save much needed space. They are primarily used for storing extra food and getting to certain foods quickly. Lowboys or chef bases can be used as a refrigerator and as a food prep station. You can easily and quickly access food to cook, and they save valuable space. Sandwich preps are, as the name says, for sandwich and salad prep. The surface can hold toppings that need to stay refrigerated and food pans to serve the food in. The bottom acts as a refrigerator to store food. The smooth stainless steel surface can also act as a cutting board. Unique refrigeration equipment is dependent upon your individual menu. For example, if you were an ice cream truck, you would need a freezer capable of keeping the ice cream cold and fresh. All of our equipment is rated and warrantied in food trucks and concession trailers. This is critical, as many brands and types are not. Once again, I'm Cliff Langston, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you're looking for more videos like this one to aid you as you look to purchase your next concession trailer, simply head over to texasfoodtrailer.com and sign up for free. Once you sign up, you will be sent a free digital booklet titled 10 Critical Steps to Purchasing Your First Food Truck, 5 Best Places to Park to Maximize Profits, and 6 Foods that will take you to 6 figures, a guide to planning your food truck menu. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and remember, you may forget a recipe for a dish, but never forget the recipe for success. 3 tablespoons of hard work, 1 teaspoon of focus and determination, and 1 large heaped cup of don't wait until tomorrow when you can take bold action today. God bless, and remember to be amazing.